Do you love a good story? Romance, adventure, tragedy, heartbreak, hope. We all have stories in our family trees, but sometimes those stories get stuck there. With the new Ancestry Storymaker Studio, you can now create and share the stories in your family tree in a simple, familiar way. With helpful tools available right in the Ancestry mobile app, you can scan and upload family pictures directly into your tree. Then use the app or a web browser to enhance those photos and images. Storymaker Studio also supports audio files. Have an old voice recording of Grandma answering questions about her childhood? Upload it. Want to capture your dad's voice sharing the story of how he met your mom? Record it. You can then combine these photos and memories with the digitized records you found on Ancestry to create meaningful, shareable stories. Tag them to specific people in your online tree so your family can see them, or publish them to the Ancestry community. If you want, you can even share them on your own personal social media channels. And that's genealogy in a minute.